Investing isn't just for people with thousands sitting around. Some of the smartest investments available right now start with as little as $1. Here's where small money actually goes to work. Index funds and ETFs. Most platforms today allow fractional shares, meaning a slice of a fund can be bought for as little as $1 or $5. The money grows with the market over time, no expertise needed. No timing required. Just consistent small contributions, building quietly over years. High-yield savings accounts, not flashy, but earning 4 to 5% on money that was earning nothing is still a return. And it requires zero risk. For anyone just starting out, this is the safest first move. Yourself. A $20 book, a free online course, a skill that increases earning potential. The return on investing in knowledge is often higher than any market. A skill that adds $200 a month to income is worth more than most portfolios at an early stage. Micro-investing apps. Apps like Acorns round up everyday purchases and invest the spare change automatically. Spending $3.60 on coffee becomes a $0.40 investment. Small, invisible, and consistent, exactly how early wealth gets built. The amount doesn't have to be impressive to start. It just has to start. Small money invested consistently beats large money invested eventually every single time.